Hello, class 8th. This is your last poem in your literature book, and it is given on page number 103. The title is Dreams. It is written by Langston Hughes. It's a very short poem that is given in your book, and basically, no questions can be framed from this chapter, but take the correct answers are there from this poem. So, let's quickly start this poem. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. So, first of all, I want to tell you that this poem is in 2 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines and it is in free verse. You can see there is no rhyme scheme, and it is in the form of ABCD, ABCD. This is the form A, B, C, D. Both the stanzas are in the same form, A, B, C, D form. Alright. So, here in the first stanza, it's written, hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. As you can read the title is Dreams. So, here we are talking about our dreams, our aims. So the poet is saying that hold your dreams firmly, as if the dreams die, life is of no use. Life is like a bird with broken wings, means of no use. A bird without wings, do you think it has some meaning? No, because if there is no wings of a bird, how will that bird will fly? So the same thing is the poet is saying here, that if you're not going to hold firmly your dreams to achieve it, then your life is like a broken winged bird, means of no use, as a bird without broken wings cannot fly. So this is what is being said in the first stanza. Alright, now see the second stanza. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. In the second stanza, again, the poet is explaining that if suppose you are not firmly holding your dreams, or if suppose you are not working hard to achieve your dreams, then your life is like a barren field. Barren field means unproductive. Life is a unproductive field that is frozen with snow, means of no use. A field which is unproductive, do you think it has some meaning or it has some use? No. So unless and until you have a goal or dreams in your life, if you don't have any dreams or you don't have any goals in your life, do you think your life has some meaning? No. You live your life because you want to achieve something. You want something, that is why you are living your life. You are working every day hard to achieve your dreams. So in the both stanzas, the poet is just explaining that if you are not going to hold your dreams firmly, then you are not going to then your life is useless or of no use. And in both stanza, you can see the poet is comparing your life with in stanza 1 he has explained compared it with the broken winged bird, and the second as barren field. Okay, so this is it in this poem. The only summary is that you have to achieve your dreams. If you are not working hard, then your life is useless. This is actually the summary of this poem. This is a very short poem, I'm telling you again. Now let's see the exercises that is given here. See take the correct answers. First, we should hold on to our dreams. Option number A is correct. Then second, people who dream about doing great things usually try hard and succeed. The ones who dream that they want to achieve something, then only they try hard, and then only they get success in their life. So if you have to get success in your life, you have to try hard. Okay. Now see this exercise B. What you have to do, you have to complete the following passage about the poem with the help of these words that is given in this pink color box. We should never give up our dreams. Life without dreams is like a bird with broken wings that cannot fly. We should hold on to our dreams. A life without dreams is like a field that is barren, which does not yield any fruits and crop. It seems to be frozen. It is exactly like your poem that is given there. Then this exercise C, you have to do it by your own. You have to read the second stanza and you have to explain it in your own words, that what does the second stanza means. Then exercise D is give antonyms of the following word. What is the meaning of antonyms? Opposite meaning. So what is the opposite of hold on? Let go. Second is die. The opposite of die is live. Third, barren. Barren, opposite of barren is fertile. Fourth, frozen. Opposite of frozen is melting. E is write rhyming word from the words given below on your own. You have to use your own word. Whatever I have written, that is also okay, but if you want to write something by your own, you can write that as well. See the first one. First word is fast. The rhyming word of fast is last, past. Second is hold. Rhyming word of hold is sold, told, scold. All these words you can write. Then third is dream. The rhyming words for dreams can be scream, seem, ice cream. All these you can write. Then F is what do you dream of becoming when you grow up. Write a paragraph of about 150 words. So this is what I want you all to do it from this chapter. That what do you want to become? What is your dream? You have to write a paragraph of about 150 words about it in your fair copy, in your literature copy. Alright, this is the work that I want you to do in your fair copy, literature copy. Otherwise, rest of the work, let it be in your books. Alright students, so we have finished the course of your literature portion, and from next video that you will get of English, we will start with your grammar portion. So I want you all to do, you might have got your syllabus, so I want you all to read the chapter before you see my video, then it will be very clear to you all. It will be easier to understand. Alright students, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.